Reset password on FOXTEL GO. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to reset your password on FOXTEL GO. So to reset your password on FOXTEL GO, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, you need to open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in www.foxtel.eu. I'll make sure to drop the link on my description box below as well. While on this page, click on the profile icon from the top right hand side and go to Foxtel. When you press on Foxtel, it's going to take you to the other field where that is your login or sign up field. So over here, go ahead and provide in the email address associated with your Foxtel account, and as per the password, you can go ahead and select forgot password. When you press on forgot password, it's going to take you to the reset field where you will be asked to confirm in your email address first of all, so that a verification link could be sent. So select the method of receiving a verification code. So select email and enter in the email address registered with your Foxtel, and make sure to mark on the terms and condition. And after that, you're confirming your CAPTCHA, you can go ahead and select send email located right at the bottom for the email to be sent. And when you receive the email, you can go ahead and press on the link and you'll be directly taken to the field where you can go ahead and reset your password. So that's how you can reset your password on FOXTEL GO. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.